Welcome back. I'm Carl, and I'd like to give you a quick little review on this DeWalt 60 volt weed whacker, weed trimmer, string trimmer. I've had this for about 3 years now, 3 or 4 years, for a long time. I've used it every summer. I really like it. It works fantastic. It's a 60 volt battery system, which is real great. I will say that between the 60 volt and 20 volt, I'm learning that if there's an option of getting the 60 volt, I'm leaning towards getting the 60 volts. One reason I have the batteries already, which is great, and the other reason is just because they have more power, and obviously, and it has just their little bit better performance. The build quality is about the same, but the performance is better on the 60 volts than the 20 volts. I'm a little bit happier with it, so I'm willing to spend a little bit extra money to get the 60 volts. But either one is still a good build by DeWalt, I'm sure. But this is the 60 volt, and I've used it, like I say, for about 4 years. I really like it. It's fantastic. I haven't had any problems with it. Just charge it with the battery, pop it in, and go to work. Just go to work, and it's great. So that's why I feel very comfortable giving this review, because I have had it for such a long time, about 4 years, and I've used it all the time, and it's ran fantastic, no problems with it. And yeah, so that's about all there is to say about it, really, for intro. So I'll just show you how it works now. Okay, well, yeah, and when you do weed whacking, don't forget to wear safety glasses. These happen to be the DeWalt safety glasses, which are pretty cool. They're sunglasses too, but they're also safety glasses, which I really like. But any type of safety glasses is a good idea when you're weed whacking. Okay, so let's get to it. And that's just how fast this DeWalt 60 volt string trimmer weed whacker cut all the grass around that lilac bush. So pretty cool, works great. It's really nice not having to mix up gasoline and oil together. Just charge it with the battery and push the button and it goes. Can't get much easier, can't get much simpler than that. And, 60 volt batteries right here, pops right out. I'm using a 9 amp battery, 60 volt, 9 amp battery, and that runs this weed whacker for a long time. All right, time to get back to work.